Hola mis queridos, les voy a enseñar cómo hacer una receta, se llama Marquesitas. Es una receta cubana, es una tortilla relleno de guayaba, crema, dulce de leche, coco, cualquiera. Es muy sencilla para hacer, vamos a empezar. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious Cuban dessert called Marquesita. It's a little cake filled with deliciousness. Sometimes it's filled with guava, coconut, dulce de leche. So enough of me talking, let's get started. El primer paso es cortar la pasta de guayaba en cuadritas. The first step is to cut the guava paste into cubes. Voy a empezar rompiendo 8 huevos. Voy a separar las yemas de las claras. Para el pastel voy a usar 8 yemas y 4 claras. Yo guardaré las otras 4 claras para el merengue. I'm going to start off by cracking all the eggs. For the cake, I'm using 8 egg yolks and 4 egg whites. The other 4 egg whites are going to be used for the meringue. Voy a batir 4 yemas para hacer el merengue para la masa. Cuando se forma el merengue, añada una taza de azúcar poco a poco. So I'm starting off by beating 4 egg whites so that I can make a meringue for the batter. Once the meringue has formed, then you're going to add in 1 cup of sugar, little at a time. Next, you're going to add in 1 cup of flour, a little bit at a time, and you're going to gently mix it. Seguidamente, añade una taza de harina y mézclalo suavemente. Next, we're going to beat 8 eggs, and then we're going to add that to the meringue. Ahora voy a batir y mezclar 8 yemas con el merengue. Cuando la masa está lista, pongo un papel de hornear en tu molde para evitar que el pastel se pegue. Once your batter is completely mixed, then you want to line the bottom of your baking pan with parchment paper so that the cake doesn't stick. Next, you're going to bake your cake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Y ahora, hornealo a 350 grados durante 20 minutos. Now you want to put your cake on a baking rack and let it dry for about an hour. You're going to put a piece of parchment paper over top of it, and you're going to flip the cake so that the bottom can be right side up and it can dry. Ahora, pongo un papel de hornear encima del pastel y un plato para voltear el pastel. Déjalo reposar durante 1 hora en una parrilla del horno. Now you're going to add your guava paste to a pot, and you're going to add about a 1/4 cup of water and melt it. Ahora, añadir la pasta de guayaba a una ollita con 1/4 taza de agua y derretirla. Now we're going to make a simple syrup, and the simple syrup is going to go into the meringue that we're going to make next. Ahora vamos a hacer el almíbar para el merengue para decorar el pastel. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of simple syrup, and we're going to save the other 1/4 so that we can drizzle over the cake. Vamos a usar 1/4 taza de almíbar para el merengue y el otro 1/4 para vertir sobre el pastel. Next, I'm going to cut the cake into 2-inch squares. Siguiente, voy a cortar el pastel en 2 pulgadas cuadritas. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water to a 1/4 cup of simple syrup. Le voy a añadir 2 cucharadas de agua a 1/4 taza de almíbar. So now I'm going to pour my simple syrup over the cake so that it can soak in. Ahora voy a echar el sirope sobre el pastel. Now I'm going to add the guava paste to the cake. I used a pastry bag to make it a little easier, but if you don't have a pastry bag, you can use a knife. Ahora voy a añadir la pasta de guayaba al pastel. Estoy usando una manga pastelera. Si no tiene una, puede usar un cuchillo. Now I'm adding some meringue to my piping bag, and I'm going to add the meringue over top of the cake. Ahora voy a cubrir el pastel con el merengue. Now I'm going to put them on a platter, a serving platter, and you can decorate the top any way that you wish. If you prefer not to use meringue and you want to use whipping cream, you can also use whipping cream because I used whipping cream for some of them. So at the end, I'll show you. Ahora voy a poner las marquesitas en una bandeja. Si no prefiere usar merengue, puede usar crema. Hice algo con crema y le mostraré al final del video. So these are the ones that have meringue, and then these are the other ones that have cream, whipped cream. And I used homemade whipped cream. So if you prefer to use the whipped cream, by all means, go ahead. Use merengue para estas y use crema casera para las otras. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell on the side. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like. Y si quiere ver más videos como este, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Hasta la próxima. Nos vemos.